I'm Wendy, and this is
Josh.
And this is Mia off to London. We are DJI. I'm from Cardiff, and this is Josh and Sharon, our besties. So we haven't seen each other in about a year, so yeah, we're just meeting up. That's it. Bye.
What the I don't know. I came here by myself. Bye. Jess! What the fuck? Yeah, I came here with her. You okay? Bye, you.
Jared's always been like family to me, always has been, always will be. Even though we had that little gap apart, because I always knew like in the back of my mind we'd always come back together. Same.
Is this good or does it need to be?
I'd say I used to be too forgiving, but now it's more like it depends on the situation I'm in. So if I work on the screen on the front as well, I really think that. I haven't known Jared as long. I've still known Jared for like 10 years now, but he's already like at that level. We've always just laughed about it. Fucking nothing. It's always been like.
We just ate in Canary Wharf at Market Hall, and we're gonna go to Chinatown. Bye. Hi guys, look at this big duck.
Say hi, bro.
Hi, bro.
What?
Likely to get cheated on without ever realizing. Josh or Wendy is such a.
Okay, let me think.
And it's no hard feelings, so yeah. Hi guys, we're drinking wine.
Hi, now in the supermarket.
Drinking wine.
Wine.
Green wine.
Made with some real feet.
Smells like feet.
Pagtandaan, tayo'y humiga sa ilalim ng puting ilaw, sa dilaw na buwan. We have to.
Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. We're gonna do karaoke next, and we're gonna drink more.
So see you next time.
See you next time.
I haven't finished.
I'm sorry.
No, start again.
Okay.
Start again, bro. Hi guys, this is the end of the day. Wendy's vlog. End of Wendy's vlog. I'm wearing Josh's coat because I'm fucking freezing. But anyway, our next trip will be karaoke at Josh's place with. No, Josh.
Where?
But yeah. To be continued. Bye.
We could. No, it's left hand.
Oh, your left.
Guys, I think we have to retake this shit.
It's your left hand.
This is my left hand.
This one. This one.
Yay.
Remember to like and subscribe
Why?
because why? Because Shanor is here.
Yes.